welcome back to Fix It Felix. Today we're working on a 2008 Ford Explorer. Now you might be wondering how to remove the spare tire on this Ford Explorer. Now it's pretty simple. You have to open the trunk, open right here, then open right here, and then you're gonna have to use this. This comes with your car. It's usually around this area. So hold on. Open it up. What you have to do is put this here and turn to the left. And as you see, every time you're turning it, the tire comes down. See right here, I'm turning it, so the tire goes down. And just keep turning it until it goes all the way down. And that's pretty much it. I mean, if you just keep turning it until it goes all the way down, and then you can just remove this thing in the middle, and that's how you remove the spare tire. I mean, I don't have to remove it on mine. I'm just doing it to show you guys how to do it. So it's a pretty simple video. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching my video. As always, peace.